Hey everyone, welcome to the O1 Software Network's Discord server. We're excited to have you join us. In this video, I'll give you a quick tour to help you navigate around and make the most of our community. Let's dive right in. First things first, when you join our server, you'll land in the Start Here channel. This is the place to begin. We highly recommend you take a moment to read through this section as it contains all the essential information you need to get started, including our community guidelines, server rules, and some tips to help you settle in smoothly. Let's explore some of the main channels. The general channel is our central hub for casual conversations. Feel free to chat about anything here. Introductions, daily life, or just to say hi. Are you working on something cool? The projects channel is the place to showcase your projects. We love seeing what our members are up to, so don't hesitate sharing the software you're working on. I look forward to checking it out. Found a valuable article, tutorial, or tool? Share it in the resources channel so everyone can benefit. Knowledge is power. Stuck on a software issue or need some advice? Don't hesitate to ask for help in the Ask for Help channel. Our community is here to support you. Stay up to date with O1's latest news and updates in the Announcements channel. We'll post important announcements here, so make sure to keep an eye on it. Your opinions matter. Share your thoughts, ideas, and feedback in the Ideas and Feedback channel to help us improve the server. We're always looking for ways to make the community better, and the best ideas come from those who use it most. Interested in hosting a workshop? Submit your proposal in the Workshop Proposals channel. We encourage our members to contribute and share their expertise. We currently have two specialized categories: data structures and algorithms, and web development. Dive deep into data structures and algorithms with events like competitions and training sessions where you can join us to enhance your skills. Whether you're a newbie or seasoned web developer, join our web development channel to build your own project, collaborate with others, and learn new technologies. At the bottom of our channel list, you'll find our forums. These are dedicated spaces for in-depth discussions on specific topics. If you have a niche interest or want to start a detailed conversation, the forums are the perfect place. We also have a thriving community beyond Discord. If you love what we're doing and want to support us by joining one of our premium memberships with exclusive events, check out our Patreon page. Your support helps us keep the community growing and allows us to host more events and workshops. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post tutorials, event recordings, and more. It's a great place to learn and stay connected. Remember, our community is all about collaboration, learning, and having fun. We're thrilled to have you here, and we can't wait to see what you'll bring to the table. If you have any questions that weren't covered in this video, feel free to reach out in the Ask for Help channel or send a message to one of our moderators. Once again, welcome aboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates. See you in the server.